Good morning, children. In our yesterday's class, we were discussing about the quadratic equation, isn't it? So, we have solved the quadratic equation by completing the square method, right? So, and we have solved the problems of the first main two problems, isn't it, children? Now, we should take the third one. X square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. See this problem, children. Here root is there. 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. See the first term, what is there? 4x square. So 4 is a perfect square, isn't it? So there is no necessity of multiplying by any term, right? So directly we can go on solving the problem, children. First one is 4x square, so there is no necessity of multiplying, isn't it? So first we should find out the value of the b, children. That is 2ab is equal to, what is the middle term here? 4 root 3x. 2ab is equal to 4 root 3x. Right. Now, a, what is the value of a? 4x square is there. So, what will be the value of a, children? 2x will be the value of a. Right. 2x into b is equal to 4 root 3x. Right. Now, 2 to the 4, isn't it? So, 2 to the 4x b equals 4 root 3x. Next, transfer 4x to right hand side, children. B is equal to 4 root 3x by 4x. So, when you transfer 4x to right hand side, what you will get? 4 root 3x by 4x, children. Right. Now, x get cancels with x. Right. In the same way, 4 get cancels with 4. Now, what is the value of b? B is equal to root 3. The value of b is, children, root 3. Now we take the square of this, children. B square is equal to root 3 whole square. So we got the value of b as, children, root 3. Right. So b square means root 3 whole square. Understood? See, 2ab is equal to middle term, what is there? 4 root 3x is there. Then write the move as it is. A, what is the value of a? 2x is the value of a, children. So into b and write 4 root 3x as it is. Now multiply these two things, children. 2 to the 4x, b is equal to 4 root 3x. Then transfer 4x to right hand side. What do you get? 4 root 3x by 4x. Next, 4 get cancels with 4 and x get cancels with the x, children. Remaining is root 3. Then the b square means you get root 3 whole square. Understood? Okay. Now come to this side. Write 4x square as this plus 4 root 3x. Transfer plus root 3 to right hand side, children. Got it? So when you transfer plus root 3 to plus 3 to right hand side, it will change the sign. So it will become minus. Got it? So when you will transfer plus 3 to right hand side, it will become minus. That is minus 3, children. Right. So now it is in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. That is expansion of a plus b whole square. What is the expansion of a plus b whole square, children? A square plus 2ab plus b square. The expansion of a plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Got it? Okay. See here. What we have? 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus equals minus 3 is there. Now we have to add b square on both the sides, children. Add b square. What is the value of b square, children? Root 3 whole square. Add root 3 whole square on both the sides. b square on both the sides. Got it? Next. Now we'll write it in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right. Before that, 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus root 3 whole square equals minus 3 as is children plus root 3 whole square. Understood? We have to add root 3 whole square on both the sides. Right. Now we will write this in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square. 4x square is there. This we can write as 2x whole square plus 2 into a children. 2ab. A. What is the value of a you have taken here? 2x. B. What is the value of b? Root 3. The value of b is children root 3. Then plus root 3 whole square equals minus root 3. Here children, root get cancels. Remaining is 3. Understood? Root cancels. So remaining is 3. So 4x square is there. Then we can write a square is 2a square. 2ab. 2 into the value of a is children 2x. B is root 3 plus b square is root 3 whole square. Then minus 3 will write as it is. Here root get cancels children. Remaining will be 3. So now we are going to write this in the form of a plus b whole square. Understood? So what is the value of a here? Yes, the value of a is 2x children. 2x plus b. The value of b is root 3 whole square. A plus b whole square means 2x plus root 3 whole square. Right. So minus 3 plus 3. So what you will get? You will get 0 children. Understood? When you subtract minus 3 from plus 3, what you are going to get? You are going to get the 0. Right. Next. Now what you have? 2x plus root 3 whole square is equal to 0 is there. Okay? Whole square is there children. So that is why we are going to split 2 times. 2x plus root 3 equals 0. In the same way, or 2x plus root 3 equals 0. Why we have written like this means square is there. Understood? See this side, in this problem right side 0 is there children. That is why we are going to solve this problem in this way. Got it? So 2 times we are going to split this one. Understood? Then transfer root 3 to right hand side children. 2x is equal to minus root 3. It will be 2x is equal to minus root 3. Here also 2x is equal to minus root 3. Right. Then transfer 2 to right hand side. X is equal to minus root 3 by 2. This is one of the root children. In the same way here also x is equal to minus 3 by root 2. So the two roots of the equation of children x is equal to minus root 3 by 2 and also x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Did you understand this one? So this is little bit different problem children. So while solving you should be very careful. Got it? Okay. Just look at the board once again and explain you. Okay, what is that? 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus 3 is equal to 0 is the children. As the first term is the 4x square, that is a perfect square children. So there is no history of multiplying the equation by any number, as 4 is a perfect square. Right. So then we find out the value of a b children. 2ab is equal to 4 root 3x. 2 into a, the value of a is children 2x. So 2x into 2 is 4xb will get is equal to 4 root 3x. Then keep b on the left side, transfer 4x. Then you will get b is equal to root 3. Then b square is equal to root 3 whole square. Right. Now, so transfer plus 3 to right hand side children. When you will transfer, you will get minus 3. Right. So next we have to add root 3 whole square on both the sides children. Got it? So left side also we have to add root 3 whole square and right side also we have to add root 3 whole square. So when we will add, we will get 4x square plus 4 root 3x plus root 3 whole square equals minus 3 plus root 3 whole square. Then we are going to write this in the form of a square plus 2ab plus b square, children. That is 2x square plus 2 into a means 2x, b means root 3 plus root 3 whole square. Here root get cancelled, children, so the remaining is 3. Right. Now we will write this in the form of a plus b whole square. That is 2x plus root 3 whole square is equal to 3 minus 3 is 0. Right. Now we are going to split this 2 times because square is there. Why we are going to split in this problem is, children, in right side there is a 0. That is why we are going to solve this problem by this method. So 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0. In the same way here also 2x plus root 3 is equal to 0, children. Then transfer plus root 3 to right hand side. You will get minus root 3. So x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. In the same way here also x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. These are the 2 roots, children. Did you understood? Okay. We will take the next problem, children. Okay, children. Now we solve the first main problem. First 3 problems, isn't it? Remaining is fourth one that you try in the next homework problem. Okay. Okay. Now we should move on to the second main, children. Just see the second main what is there, what is given. Find the roots of the quadratic equation by applying the quadratic formula. Is telling the we have to solve the first main problems with the different method, that is by using the formula. Okay, what is that formula? Yes, first we have to find out the formula to find out the to solve the quadratic equation, children. Then we will solve the problems. Understood? So look at the board here. Here we have to consider the general form of quadratic equation, children. Consider the general form of quadratic equation. Now we are going to find out the formula to find out the roots of the given quadratic equation. Understood? For this we are going to consider a general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. You know that, isn't it? This is the general formula for quadratic equation. Right, where a should not be equal to 0, children. A, b, c are real numbers. You know about this, isn't it? I have told you already. A, b, c are real numbers. Got it? Now, next what you have to do means, what is there in the first term? Ax square is there, children, isn't it? So, we have to multiply the complete equation by x square, coefficient of x square, children. What is the coefficient of x square here? A, right. So, we have to multiply the complete equation by coefficient of x square, that is a. So, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 is there. What is the coefficient of x square, children? A is the coefficient of x square. What will get? X square, a get cancels. Then here b by a into x plus c by a is equal to 0. So, when you multiply this equation by the coefficient of x square, that is here, you are going to get, children, x square plus b by a into x plus c by a. Got it? Now what we are going to do is we will add minus b by 2a whole square on both the sides, children. Got it? We are going to add minus b by 2a whole square on both the sides. See? Before that, we will transfer c by a to right hand side. B by a into x equals minus c by a. So what we have to do next, children? We have to transfer the c by a to right hand side. Now what we got, children? X square plus b by a into x equals minus c by a. In the next step what we are going to do means we have to add and subtract. We are going to add and as well as we are going to subtract b by 2a whole square on both the sides, children. That is add and subtract b by 2a whole square on we are going to add b by and subtract b by 2a whole square to the given equation. What we are going to do, children? We are going to add b by 2a whole square. Understood? Add and subtract. Right. Now x square plus b by a into x plus b by 2a whole square in the same way minus b by 2a whole square. We are going to add, children, once and we are going to subtract. Understood? We are going to add the b by 2a whole square once and we are going to subtract the b by 2a whole square. Then what is the remaining here? Minus c by a is there, isn't it? Okay, that you write as it is minus c by a. Now see this, children. So this we are going to write in the form of a plus b whole square. Right. See, a means x plus b means, children, b by 2a. b by 2a whole square. What is the remaining here? Minus b by 2a whole square equals minus c by a. Did you understood? X square plus b by a into x plus b by 2a whole square is that we are going to write in the form of a plus b whole square. Right. In the next step, transfer b by 2a whole square into your right hand side, children. Minus b by 2a is there, isn't it? When you transfer to right hand side, it will become plus b by 2a, children. X plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b by 2a whole square will become plus minus c by a, children. Understood? Transfer this to right hand side. Next, x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, take the square of this, children. B square by 2a whole square means you are going to get 4a whole square minus c by a. 2a whole square means 2 2s are 4. A into a square. Right. In the next step, we are going to take the LCM, children. That is 4a square and a is there. We are going to take the LCM of that. X plus b by 2a whole square. So LCM of 4a square and a is, children, 4a square. Here 4a square cancels. Remaining is b square. In the same way, next a is there, children. A get cancels means remaining is 4a. For that 4a, we are going to multiply the numerator. Then we will get 4ac. Right. Now we got x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square by 4a square. Sorry. When you take LCM, we will get 4a square. In the numerator, we are going to get b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Okay. Now what we are going to do means we are going to transfer the square, children. So x plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 4a square. When you transfer the root to right hand side, children, you are going to get plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. 4a square is the children. We take the root of that. X plus b by 2a is equal to plus or minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Square root of 4 is 2, children. Square root of a square is a. Got it? Now transfer b by 2a to right hand side. X is equal to plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a minus, what is the, children, here? B by 2a is that, isn't it? So we will do one thing. When you transfer this, we will get b by 2a. We will write first this one, the children, minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Got it? Then we will transfer, we will get minus b by 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. You understood? Okay. Now see the denominator children. What is there? 2a is there, isn't it? So when the denominators are same, we can add up the numerators children. That is why 2a in the denominator. So in the numerator you will get minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula what we are going to use to solve the problem, student. Understood? Be careful. This is the formula which we are going to use to solve the quadratic equation. That is x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Did you understood? Okay. Next we are going to split this one. That's it. X is equal to minus b plus b square minus 4ac by 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Got it? So this is the formula what we are going to use to solve the quadratic equation, children. Understood? Okay. Once again I will explain you. Look at the board carefully. See here. This is the general form of a quadratic equation. By using this, we are going to find out the formula, children. So first what we have to do is we have to multiply the complete equation by the coefficient of x square, children. What is the coefficient of x square? Yes, the coefficient of x square is, children, a. So when we multiply the complete equation by a, we will get x square plus b by a into s plus c by a is equal to 0, children. In the next step, we are going to transfer c by a to right hand side. There we will get minus c by a. In the next step, what we are going to do is we have to add and subtract b by 2a whole square to the given equation, children. So x square plus b by ax plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square. Once adding and once subtracting. Got it? In the next step, we are going to write this in the form of a plus b whole square. That is x plus b by 2a whole square minus b by 2a whole square is equal to minus c by a. In the next step, transfer this to right hand side. There you will get b square divided by 2a whole square minus c by a. The square of this is, children, b square minus 4a square minus c by a. Then we are going to take the LCM. When we take the LCM, we will get 4a square. In the numerator, you will get b square minus 4ac, children. In the next step, transfer the square, children. When you transfer the square, you are going to get plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 4a square. Right. When we take the square of 4a square, children, you will get 2a. Next, we are going to transfer b by 2a to right hand side. There we will get minus b by 2a plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. As the denominators, what is there in the denominator, children? 2a is the denominator. As the denominators are same, we can add up the numerators. When we will add, we are going to get x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula which we are going to use to solve the equations. Then we can split and write like this. Understood? Okay. Okay, children. Now we got the formula, isn't it? What is that? X is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. This is the formula. Right. Now, see here, minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a is there. This part, children, what is there here? B square minus 4ac is there. No, this we call it as a discriminant. Yes, what we are going to call this part as a, children? Discriminant. Understood? Now, just see, If the value of b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, what will be the roots? Nature of the roots I am telling. For if b square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then b square minus 4ac is less than 0. See children, b square minus 4ac is called as a discriminant. We call that as a discriminant, and we are going to denote that by delta. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Understood? We are going to call this b square minus 4ac as discriminant, and we are going to denote that by a delta children. If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means delta is greater than 0. What will be the nature of the rows? In the same way, if delta is less than 0, if delta is equal to 0 and delta is less than 0, what will be the nature of the rows? That we are going to study children. If delta is greater than 0, if delta is greater than 0 means children, two roots, see here, two distinct real roots. So if delta is greater than 0, then we call that roots as a distinct real roots. Understood? If they are equal, then we call that as children two equal real roots. Two equal real roots. Understood? If delta is less than 0, then we call it as children no real roots. No real roots, or we can call it as imaginary roots. We can call it as imaginary roots. This is called as a nature of the roots children. When delta is greater than 0, then the roots will be distinct and real. If it is equal to 0, roots will be equal and real children. If it is less than 0, then the roots will be, there will be no real roots, or we can call it as an imaginary roots. This you have to understand carefully so that we can solve the remaining problems. Understood? Okay. So now we have derived a formula to find out the roots of a quadratic equation children. Got it? So now let's solve the exercise problems. Right. Now see the second main, that is find the root of the equation given quadratic equation above by applying the quadratic formula. Quadratic formula means that what we have to find out, isn't it? Okay. Now we should solve the problem children. We take the first problem, that is 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. This we are going to solve by using a quadratic equation. Right. See, first what we are doing is we are comparing this to the general form of a quadratic equation children. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. First we are comparing this for ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a children here? 2. The value of a is 2. In the same way, value of b is children minus 7 and c is 3. Right. So first what we have to write means we have to write the values of a, b and c children. Got it. So what is the value of a? The value of a is 2, b is minus 7 and c is 3. Right. Now we write the formula, that is x is equal to minus b plus or minus b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Right. Right on minus side is b value is minus 7. Write the b minus side is children. The value of b is minus 7 plus or minus b square, that is the value of b is children minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a children. What is the value of a? 2. B is 3 divided by 2 into a is 2. Right. Write down b minus as it is. The value of b is minus 7 plus or minus b square. B square means minus 7 whole square minus 4 into a into c children. The value of a is 2 and the value of c is 3 divided by 2 into a. Write down 2 as it is and the value of e is children 2. Got it? Now see carefully. Minus into minus. It will become plus 7 plus or minus square root of minus 7 whole square is the children. Minus 7 whole square means minus into minus plus 7 sevens are what you will get? Yes, you are going to get 49 minus 4 into 2 into 3 children. 4 2s are, yes, 4 2s are 8, isn't it? 8 3s are 24. 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Divided by 2 2s are children 4. Minus into minus plus 7 children plus or minus minus 7 into minus 7. 7 sevens are what you are going to get? 49. So 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24. Now subtract 40 minus 24 by 49 children. 7 plus or minus. When you subtract what you are going to get? 9 minus 4 is 5. 4 minus 2 is children 2 divided by 4. Right. So x is equal to 7 plus or minus root 25 is the children. What is the square root of 25? Yes, it is 5. 5 divided by 4. So what we got children? 7 plus or minus 5 divided by 4. Right. Now split plus or minus. X is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4 or x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4 children. Understood? We are going to split the plus or minus. When you split the plus or minus, you will get x is equal to 7 plus 5 by 4. In the same way, x is equal to 7 minus 5 by 4. Right. Now, x is equal to 7 plus 5. How much children? 12. 12 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4. 4 3s are 12. So x is equal to 3. In the same way here, x is equal to 7 minus 5 children. 7 minus 5 is what you are going to get? 2, isn't it? 2 by 4. 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to 1 by 2. So you got 2 rules for the quadratic equation. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2. You understood? This is the way we are going to solve the problems by using the formula children. Okay. See here, 2x square minus 7x plus 3 is the given problem. So first what we are going to do is we are going to compare this into the general form of quadratic equation children. That is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Right. After that, we are going to write the values of a, b, c. The value of a is children 2, b is equal to minus 7, c is equal to 3. So x is equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4 is divided by 2 is the formula. Then write the value of b. The minus as is children you have to write. The value of b is minus 7 plus or minus b square means minus 7 whole square minus 4 into 2 into 3 divided by 2 into 2 children. Plus minus into minus it will be plus. Plus or minus 7 sevens are children 49. In the same way minus into minus is plus. Minus 4 2s are 8. 8 3s are 24. So 49 minus 24 divided by 4. When you subtract 24 from 49, you are going to get 25. The square root of 25 is children 5. In the next step, we are going to split the plus and the minus. That is 7 plus 5 by 4. 7 minus 5 by 4 children. 7 plus 5 is 12 divided by 4. 4 1s are 4 3s are. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 1 by 2 are the two values. rules what we got. Did you understand? Okay children. So far we have solved the problems of exercise 10.3 first main, and in the second main we have solved one problem children. In the next class we are going to solve the remaining problems.